Hey family, how's it going? This is Gerald with houseflippingguy.com. Hopefully you all can see me clearly. I'm still wearing the Lakers jersey, the old school James Worthy 1982 jersey that my wife got me yesterday for Christmas. So I want to go ahead and come on here and do a tip real fast. Just doing a little bit of quick research on real estate in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. We're here on kind of Christmas vacation, and what I've been doing is just doing a little bit of research. So what I did was went ahead, drove around the area a little bit. Number one, I see a lot of opportunities here in Baton Rouge. I see older houses listed on the MLS for under $75,000 in fairly decent shape, can be put back into decent shape and rented out for a positive cash flow. I see smaller, older houses that have a lot of deferred maintenance damage. Some of them have water damage for as low as 15, 20 grand. That can be put back into shape. I see those same properties that can be knocked down. And depending on the situation and whatever the code situation is here, sometimes you can go ahead and potentially put a manufactured or a mobile home on a lot that can potentially be a really nice positive cash flow situation. But the biggest thing is this. So I'm going to title this video Baton Rouge, Louisiana, delinquent property tax list, delinquent tax list 2018. Below this video is going to be a link, okay? And that link is going to show you all property taxes that happened back in August, okay? Property taxes, tax liens that happened for properties here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, for 2018. And actually the auction was October of 2018. I say all that to say I want to show you all the list. Okay, the list, the website. There's going to be some other links as well. What it is Louisiana is a tax lien state. So when those properties fall behind on property taxes and it goes to auction, you all are actually bidding on the lien itself. You're bidding on the tax lien itself. Now, when they advertise it in this paper, in this particular, like I said, the first link in the description, when they advertise it, they advertise the address and everything. Take that address and do what a lot of people are doing. Well, do what some people are doing. Contact the owner, see if they'd be willing to go ahead and sell that property. Sometimes it's a house, sometimes it's a land lot. That can be a phenomenal opportunity. Could be a wholesaling opportunity. Could be a flat out purchasing opportunity. Then you're not just purchasing the lien, you're purchasing the property at the same time, because you're negotiating. You're asking the seller, are you motivated? Would you be motivated to go ahead and sell the property at this time? A lot of these properties, guys, are not properties people are living in. A lot of these properties are properties that people have moved out of because of different situations. What situations? I don't know. Some of it may be code violations. Some of it may be out-of-state owner. Some of it may be divorce, death, whatever the case may be. You know, I tell people in different videos, you almost have to be an investigator before you are an investor. You have to be an investigator before you are an investor. Check out that link below. That's going to show you all, the general public, the people that are behind on property taxes in this area. In the they call them, here in Louisiana is different. So in California you have San Bernardino County, you got Riverside County, you have LA County, you have San Diego County, you have Orange County. Here you have, they refer to them as parishes. And so in the state of Louisiana, you have a total of 64 parishes. East Baton Rouge Parish, if I'm not mistaken, is actually the largest parish, with a population of over 400,000 people. Okay. There's a lot of opportunities here, guys. A lot of people, you hear a lot of bad things about Baton Rouge, Louisiana, in the news. To tell you the truth, there is a lot of opportunity here if you can see it, if you're paying attention to it. It's some people may see obstacles when you come here. Some people see opportunity. It depends on what set of eyes you're looking at. You know, if people see obstacles, those are people that may always see obstacles in every situation. If you see opportunity, congratulations to you. But I see a lot of properties. Some of these properties can be tear downs. And what I'm saying is this: that may not be a bad thing. Some of these properties, I see burnt out properties. What does it cost to go ahead and tear that property down? And then can you go ahead and you contact the city or county and ask them, would you be able to go ahead and put a manufactured home on the property, a mobile home on the property, and turn around and make it a quick rental? You know what I mean? That way you don't have to wait an extended period of time to go ahead and rehab that property. Or you could potentially rehab that property, especially if the property that burnt down is in a really nice area with where the home values have been, kind of like increasing. Maybe it's worth it to you to go ahead and tear that property down and then build a brand new property. Just depends on the situation, guys. I see a ton of opportunity here, and of course, my wife will tell you, I see opportunity everywhere. Just an optimistic person. So yeah, check out that website, or actually, it's I don't know if it's a website, a paper, a private site, whatever it is. Check out the link in the description. That's what the auction, the tax liens look like. That's how they're set up here in Louisiana, because they advertise the address. The issue is this: I don't teach it necessarily this way, because there's a lot of people that are going to be doing what you all are getting ready to do. Some of you that live in or are interested in the area, to go ahead and contact the people to see if they're interested in selling the property. Okay. I can see a lot of people are going to do it, but you never know. I don't know what the competition is out here. I don't know if it's highly competitive. I don't necessarily study the Baton Rouge market. I do know, I have seen the We Buy Houses signs. Not a ton of them. Not a ton, not like I do in Atlanta. So there is opportunity out here. You just have to go ahead and look for it. One thing I will say is some of the streets, especially the area that we're staying in, they don't necessarily look like streets. They look like either small streets, or they just don't look like streets. You go ahead, the map will tell you to make a right turn or whatever that is, and it doesn't necessarily look like a street. But I think I'm gonna spend more time studying this market and seeing what it has to offer in these areas. And I think Baton Rouge is like a diamond in the rough, man. To many of you that are living in the area and you know about this area, shoot me some comments below and give me some of your information in regards to the area. There's nothing wrong with investing in the hood, as long as you know what it is you're doing. It's a lot of investors that invest in there. Surprisingly, there may be more investors than what you all know of. If you all know about the area, leave me some comments. Leave me some comments below. Give me a little bit more information about how you all are doing in this particular area. Okay. Once again, this is Gerald, just going ahead and bringing you a day after Christmas little information tip. You all can go ahead and download the link yourselves. It's downloadable, so you can go ahead and download the older tax liens that were on there. But I'm giving you the website because I think I called down to the county office I'm sorry, the tax assessors, the assessor's office, and that is the website that they go ahead and they advertise on when they get ready to do the tax liens. And so, and if you all want to know what number I went ahead and I contacted, just type in Google, just type in Baton Rouge property tax assessor, some along those lines, and that phone number will come up for you. Anyways, guys, this is Gerald. If you all found value in the video, please click the like button, share it with family and friends. Also, if you all need, because obviously on that video that I have a little over 200,000 views, I go ahead and show you how to go ahead and get your list in your area for free. Also have another video talking about how to get a difficult list. You just have to go ahead and scroll through the library of videos. But how to go ahead and market owners and whatnot, I will have a link of my delinquent property tax course in the description if you all are interested. Anyways, you all have a beautiful day. Hope you all enjoyed your Christmas. New Year's is on its way. 2019. Y'all take care. Have a good day.